This Keaty Real Estate, LLC property video is presented by Alison Martin. Great ranch style, 3-bedroom 2-bath home. Centrally located, the home features an open floor plan, wood-burning fireplace, granite tile countertops and large laundry room. A new privacy fence has been added. Double gate access to the large backyard, perfect for boat or trailer parking. Storage shed in backyard remains with the home. The outside AC and roof has been replaced within the last 3 years. For more information, review the details below.